Hi there, welcome. I'm Jessica Rose from the Jewellers Academy, and today I'm going to just be guiding you through what a safety back file is and what we use it for. So let's take a look. So this is a safety back file, or sometimes it's known as a barrette file, and it has the sharp cutting file teeth on one side, and on the other side it has no cutting, so it's nice and smooth, and usually it's like a shallow triangular shape. And this is really useful for if you're filing pieces that are a little bit more complex, such as this piece with multiple stone settings. So for example, if I wanted to file the band behind this leaf, I could get in there and give it a good file without it affecting the leaf or taking away any of the metal, because there's no file edge on the back. Likewise, if I wanted to get in between a couple of settings, I could put my file in there and it wouldn't affect the back of the setting because it's safety back. So it's a great name for it. So it's a really useful tool. Not usually used by beginners, but once you get kind of intermediate level, advanced level with your jewelry making, and especially if you're doing lots of stone setting or multiple settings together, then this is going to be really handy to help with your filing. Get a nice sharp one and look after it, and it will last you for a while. So good luck with your jewelry making and enjoy.